Welcome to Animal Street. Welcome to Animal Welcome to Animal Street. Welcome to Animal Welcome to the logical security na zero. Poor man still to beg. Poor man no get help. Poor man no fit talk. Poor man life na nonsense. Animals everywhere. Animals get value. Get value pass human. Dem send animals to carry on. Animals shoot people. Animals kill people. Animals murder people. Nobody to human. Welcome to Animal Street. Welcome to Animal Zoological Kingdom. Welcome to Animal Street. Welcome to Animal Welcome to Zoological Kingdom.
Hello, my people. Hello, everyone out there. How you guys doing? Today's another new day. Welcome you all. Today, I want to talk about our Naija brothers. Our Naija people went there for China, went there for Chinese country. Because I don't watch videos, see how Chinese people, they treat our brothers and sisters, Africans, when they're their country. The thing they pay me, they make me the vex, they make me the paro, because I don't really understand what thing they happen. These Chinese, they cause the same problem when they go on today, when make everybody, they don't hate us scatter. When make everybody be like say nobody balance again. And the same Chinese, Nigeria people still invite, come help them fight. Come help them treat people when get coronavirus. I don't understand how our Nigerian leaders, how they think. I be the wear busters for head. Because the whole thing called they make me they think of so many things. These same people, when you call Nigeria, may come help you treat people when get coronavirus. The same people, they maltreat your country people for their land. We know they use our sense sometimes. I don't really know what they go on here. Our Nigeria people, when they for Chinese, when they for China, they don't they let them enter supermarkets. They don't they let them associate with people. Even their own house, when they use their own money rent. People don't pay for 1 year, pay for 6 months, pay for 3 months. Landlord go just come knock your door off your lights. They say give you 10 minutes, maybe you take pack or move for the house. Not be say that they found the money. Oh. Our brothers and sisters when they for China, they suffer. And Nigeria call China people come Nigeria, come help us. Who they help? The same people who cause the problem when they go on, so when cause this coronavirus. Only one sickness don't get many names. Even our boo-boo, they call her COVID-19. Another man too, they call her COVID-19. Another one, they call her coronavirus. Which way? Only one sickness. Begin get different names. Begin they scatter everywhere. Begin they waka. Begin be like breeze. When they blow from one place to another. They waka, they go. Everybody, almost the whole world, they lock down because of this same thing. Now only the name, now be COVID-19, now be epidemics, now be all of them, now be coronavirus, now be all of them. And we even hear now say another one, they road, not be even hunter virus, they even the 5G. Which way? Where will they go? We never finish one, we enter another one. We never finish one, we enter another one. Okay, see another video when somebody even still sent me yesterday. Our Niger brother when just day in old. Then they begin go the beat and see your Niger brother. See your Niger brother. When she knows the carry out the beat for ground, say to animal. Just see what thing they happen. And these Chinese people, they are our country, they say that they quarantine. I believe that they never come up for that quarantine where they did. That quarantine will kill them. Because they don't feel God, even Bible says, talk and say, waiting you sow, now you go reap. Because they don't feel they make everybody they suffer for waiting they use their own hand cause. And at the end, they increase the thing. If you even ask me, say, Corona never even enter Niger. Because I don't even know the reason why make Niger people, Niger politicians, bring Chinese they come that country, and everything that they embezzle. They go embezzle money, sickness still they still embezzle one. Waiting, long throat. Everything. Now they gather. Everything. From north, south, east, and west. Everything. Our politicians, they gather all of them. They put for their armpits. They put for their leg. They put for everywhere. If Nigeria see country where coronavirus deal with, Nigeria will close their mouth. If Nigeria see country where coronavirus don't deal with, Nigeria will not say now ordinary malaria and I didn't get for them, not be coronavirus. Because even as at yesterday, I dey watch news, say Lagos State, number of cases when they get 217. And inside that 217, they don't discharge 69. Waiting they happen. Waiting they happen. How? I don't understand. Cases of 217. Una don't discharge 69. How the thing, how it happen? How the case, how not get the cure? When other country they suffer. Even without the, according to now, without the help of the China doctors, una don't fit the cure them like that. They discharge them because before una discharge them for hospital, that is to say the patient don't do okay. The China doctors when I break on day for quarantine, they never finish 14 days quarantine. And our Nigeria doctors don't they treat the patient when get coronavirus, they discharge them, say they don't do okay. They want to go bring China doctors come help waiting. When our Nigeria doctor don't they treat them. And Nigeria don't even get the cure to this coronavirus. Eh? But my people, don't tell one of the deceive us. Our mumu never do. Our mumu never do. How the thing they happen? Because America not get cure. Italy not get cure. Spain not get cure. France not get cure. All these countries where we know say, yes, that they were organized. They never see solution. Everybody, they cry. Then Niger, when the thing don't enter yesterday, according to now, of which to my own belief, I never believe anything don't reach Nigeria. Because even the Italian man wanna say pass from Milano here, reach Lagos. At last, now still discharge and say nothing do the man are negative. Even when they do all those news, they show us say the man they positive. The people when they around town, una know observe social distance. Because before una go they quote law, una go find reasons some kind things when they happen. Eh? How una tell they do the whole thing? Even I will see Nigeria ambassador for China when they collect Nigeria people passport for Chinese hand. Yes, Oga Baba, I salute you for that aspect when you do. God will really bless you. Do good work there. But I beg for the China doctors when they Nigeria. I beg Nigeria people. I beg you now. Nothing, devil not get free gift. Now so China be. China be like devil for earth, second devil for earth. China not get free gift. Because I listen to the video when they interview one of the doctors say they can't help Nigeria because of the friendship. Which friendship? Who you help? Which friendship you they render to us? You call our country. And people when they our country now they kill them, una pursue them for outside. They not get house, they not fit eat, they not fit bath, they not fit go anywhere, they not fit do anything.